Now students, as I have given you part 1 of question number 2, so part 2, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? This is your homework. Try once by your own, very easy. Then now moving towards question number 3, a coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? Again, tossing a coin. If a coin is flipped, so that what is the probability? Again, how many total outcomes are in a coin? There are two outcomes will be there, head or tail. So what is the probability? Again, if we will toss the coin, if we will flip the coin, so at that time only one outcome will come, either head or tail. So what is the probability of, again probability will be number of favorable outcome. Favorable means either head will come or tail will come, and total number of outcomes, how many total possibilities are there in a coin? Only head or tail, so there are two possibilities. So number of favorable outcome will be one, either head or tail. We cannot say it confidently that which will come. So total number of outcomes will be 2. So this is your answer of question number 3rd. So with this we have completed exercise 3.4, and along with this we have also completed our chapter number 3, and one more we have completed, that is term 1 portion also we have completed with this. So what is your homework, beta? The sums which I have given you through all these videos you have to write in your maths copy. Maths fair copy should be complete. Each work must be complete. And then in exercise 3.3 I forgot to tell you that last question number 6 we are leaving this question. We will not do these questions. Only up to question number 5th you have to do. Okay, so the questions which I have given you as a homework, just kindly do in your maths copy, and 6th no need to do. Okay, and thank you. If any doubt you have, you may ask, and all the doubts we will clear on online class. Thank you.